A chef wraps up another box of individually wrapped food. This is Tasty Catering, a corporate catering company situated on the outskirts of Chicago. The company normally specializes in weddings, corporate meetings and picnics. But when COVID hit, most of that business completely disappeared.
We had that one day of cancellations. It was March 13th. The sales team was handling cancel, postpone wedding, cancel picnics, cancel my meeting next week, we're closing the office.
In order to stay afloat, the company looked to pivot away from large-scale buffet-type catering to smaller individually wrapped meals. Although sales still nosedived, operations could continue.
In 2020, our sales were down 70% from what they were in 2019, so it was a huge hit.
With a new product, the sales team began looking for different markets.
We realized, hey, what about these hotels that had to close their kitchens? These are the kind of businesses this year, and we started working with some of them. They hit our top 40 list in sales this year.
The change in direction allowed the company to stay open and keep staff employed.
It's not just small businesses that were hit economically by the pandemic. Farms across the country, especially those marketing fresh produce, also suffered. As meat processing plants ground to a halt, restaurants were closed and supply chains broken.
The Herberts operate a dairy in southern Illinois. In 2019, the family made the move away from dairy cooperatives to sell the milk directly to consumers. The plan had been to sell the milk at farmers' markets, but as COVID-19 hit, the Herberts instead moved to accepting drive-ups at their farm and reached out to independent farm stores. The Herberts feel the pandemic may have actually helped their business in the long term.
We do feel that did give it a little bit of a boost to what we were doing. It was a little scary, but maybe it was at an opportune time to try to get something started that was new and different.
Not every operation and business has been as fortunate during the pandemic, but amid the gloom, these stories of resilience perhaps offers a pathway forward for others. Dan Williams, CGTN, Chicago.